Today we're going to do a regular market scan, the first one in, I think, over a week now, because I had that long extended week period where there were no uploads because I was upgrading my computer. Anyways, we can get to it now. As usual, we're going to start out on Bloomberg. All right, so here we are on Bloomberg. We can obviously see the clear headline here. With the potential restart of the US-Israel-Iran war, or the US coalition now, because UAE hopped in as well. So you got the US, UAE, and Israel against Iran, and possibly some other Gulf states as well. Iran has threatened to enter. No, sorry, Saudi Arabia has threatened to enter in against Iran. So Trump restarts Iran blockade as US plans 20% Hormuz charge. Obviously, not too good. It's not exactly what we want to see for the world economy or anything else for that matter. But it does create volatility in the markets. Now they're going to react possibly conservatively, the central banks like ECB, depending on how severe this all turns out. It's looking out on SPY though. SPY doesn't look to give a shit. SPY hasn't given two shits about anything though. Like literally nothing. It just has been going straight up. As for the dollar index, still the same stable, but it is getting strong. It is getting strong. We had these levels here for like a year, I think, around here. This is a zone we use for reference, by the way. Around here for good while. I used the top point right here. The dollar is strengthening. As for the trade, I mean, right now, this is one I entered gold. Doesn't look exactly like that. It looks a bit more like that. I think that's supposed to draw it out like that. So this one is going down the good old shitter. Gold has been on a steady decline for forever now. Just won't stop from that overbought phase. If it hits new lows again, that'll be interesting. And if it hits new lows, if it breaks through 4,000 here, you can look for a BO here. That could be very cool. With a gold BO as well, you can go a bit longer, a bit further. This piece of shit we don't need to worry about. No, we'll have to see later. Pretty close to candle close now, and by the time my editor is done with this, the candles will be closed. Damn, boy. Damn. Right through the 200 MA, through resistance, through the whole thing. You see, I don't like this range anymore. What is this? And now with the Iran war, honestly, shit can start gapping, going wild, random directions. Don't know. BO triggered here. So this is a lot of news-driven assets. Nothing to worry about if you missed out. Nothing to give a shit about. Interesting. We're getting candle close on these soon, so everything you see is more or less final. Is that a gap? Fucking hell. The Euro USD. Jesus. This one is looking interesting. This pair is in a downtrend as well, playing a big range here. So I'm going to mark this one as potential. We'll discuss it later. This piece of shit looks like a piece of shit too. Hmm. No. Wick is too long for the CR. This is interesting. Yeah. That's interesting. I'm gonna mark that. Be a bit careful thinking about a secondary gold bill. All right, so let's look at these two potentials that I found. I also saw one that this one right here, you guys might react to for CR for this one, but the range looks like it's gone from ranging to now a more downtrending range. I don't like when they make when it starts changing up like that. Besides that, though, we do have quite a few valid setups right now. So this one, wait for close, and then here you could see further potential BO action because this is reacting strongly right now. You can capitalize off of that, or you can take it with the downtrend. If you want to go with the downtrend on it, on the 8-hour, it's closest in 30 minutes for me. Probably already closed when you're watching this video. You can enter on the 8-hour for just a CR on that one. That looks like a good one too. You can get a good entry and the whole shebang. Something like that. Something like that, yeah. And for this one right here, we'll just have to wait for it to finish up in the range. It's quite hard because this is like moving mountains. It's like price territory. So we'll see how that one develops as well, and watch out for the bill for potentially on gold as well. If it starts breaking below Forex, I mean, I'd consider that very interesting. It has done it before, but only for very brief periods of time. We haven't been below since, let's see, November 4th, 25. It's quite a while. That would be quite, and even then it wasn't down for long. So that would be quite the drop from all the way from, oh fuck, almost 5.6. Shit. It really was overbought, wasn't it? Anyways, that's all I've got for now regarding the market scan today. Pretty quiet, like usual. Normal for July. July is a very chill month. So there's much more to do with that. Can hope Trump declares some crazy war. Maybe, Israel goes back into Lebanon, blows up some churches and that kind of stuff. And Iran kills the next Khomeini or whatever the fuck his name is. And they start at it again. Then we'll get some volatility. Besides that, these are slow months. June, July, August, all slow. September it picks up again. But then in September, when we're in September, it's good. October, and then so it got down again for November, December, January, and February. So we do really only have half the year. That's good. March is good. April, May. And it slows down again. So we have about half the year. With that said, I'm going to end the market analysis here. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll probably see you tomorrow. Look at this motherfucker. It is. That guy wants to break below 4. Anyways, thank you guys. Bye-bye.